Well, welcome back to Marvelous Microwave Meals. Now, one of the nice things about this is that something that normally would take maybe 45 minutes to an hour to make, with a microwave you can make it in mere seconds. Today we're going to do a Southern spoon bread. Now, a lot of times this is done with cornbread, cornmeal, but we're going to do it with self-rising flour today. We're going to start with just a tablespoon of butter. We're going to put this right in the mug, and then we're going to microwave it for just about 40 seconds. We don't have to put a top on. We just want to melt it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My butter is melted. Now what I'm going to do is add about 1/4 of a can of creamed corn. And I'm going to stir this up. For those of you who have not had Southern corn pudding before, this is about halfway between a bread and a pudding. You eat it with a spoon, as the name would imply. Going to add just about 2 tablespoons of milk. Whip this together. So we've got butter, corn, and eggs. Gonna crack an egg and put it in. Break the yolk and whip it for, I'd say about 10 seconds. A little bit of shell there. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of self-rising flour. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to whip this together real quick. And this will make sort of a batter. Now, if you wish, I think corn has a lot of sugar in it, but I know people add just a little bit of sugar or a little bit of salt to theirs. I'm not going to add either, because after I taste it, that's plenty of time to add to taste. Most of us use way too much sugar and way too much salt in our cooking anyway. So as you can see, I've got sort of this nice thick batter. And I'm going to put this in the microwave. I'm going to put a cover over it. I'm going to let this cook for about 4 minutes. And oh my, doesn't this look great? Can you see? This is it's turned into this lovely little cake of a thing. And remember, we're going to let it cook for another minute or so before we sample it. The most important thing to always remember about microwave cooking is that just because you pulled it out doesn't mean it's finished cooking. It can cook for another 30 seconds, even when you're talking about meat or something with a high water content, it can still burn you a full minute after it comes out. So we're going to give it plenty of time. But Southern spoon bread makes a nice, comforting, I call it a great Saturday morning sort of breakfast. It's bread that you eat with a spoon, it's soft, it's not too jarring. It's also a great thing to eat when you've got a sore throat or you just need something to slip down easy. I think we've given it just about enough time. So, you can also make it with cornbread, but we didn't have cornbread, so we made do with what we had. It smells wonderful. Soft, tender, and delicious. You gotta try this. It's marvelous. Check out the recipe on our link and send us take a picture of it and send it to us. I'd love to see your creations. See you next time on Marvelous Microwave Mug Meals.